Hey everyone, welcome back into another video, and today I'm going to show you how to use OpenArt AI, a powerful AI image generator that lets you create stunning digital art from text prompts. Whether you're an artist, designer, just curious about AI generated visuals prompts, whether you're an artist, designer, just curious, about it. With this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. So let's get started. So what is OpenArt AI? OpenArt AI is a platform that uses AI models like Stable Diffusion to generate images from text, allows you to create art, realistic photos, anime style images, and more with a few words. And you can customize outputs by selecting styles, adjusting settings, and even training your own models if you're into that. So first things first, you gotta sign in and log in. It's just easier. You can use your email or just Google. I just use Google because it's faster. And like we're gonna generate images, so we're gonna go here. We have characters, videos, image. We're gonna create image here. You're gonna choose 100 models. There's like 100 models. So we're just gonna pick pixel wave, then vibrant fantasy, yeah, that one. Then creativity levels, type reference, post reference. There's like poses too, which is pretty cool. Face reference, aspect ratio. Then we're gonna create. We're just gonna wait for this to create. 38. There we go. We're gonna wait for it to be made. Okay. We're just gonna wait. You can do videos also, which is weird. You can also do characters. There we go. We have an elf. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. That's pretty cool, right? That looks nice. I see here we created the images. You can just adjust the settings too. You can like output size, aspect ratio if you want scale landscape, or cinema if you want it to be a 16 by 10 or 16 by 19. 21 by 9. Yeah, there we go. You can also have face reference composition. It's really detailed if you wanna like generate like a specific character if you want free run or something like that. You can do that. There's also characters here. But you need to upgrade, so this is not available to the free setting. It's going to generate. You can just download this and you'll be good to go. Then there's like a bunch of advanced features to talk about. We have styles, models, bulk create if you want like really specific or you're looking for one perfect output. So we're gonna talk about AI, OpenArt AI, and versus we're gonna compare them to Midjourney. So we have Midjourney, and we have DAL-E, and we also have Stable Diffusion. So, OpenArt AI customization is very good. So the realistic image is pretty okay. Style variety, many styles, beginner friendly. Mid journey, customization is very high. It's the best for realistic image. Artistic focus, is more its style, and it's also requires Discord. So you do need to make a Discord account and connect to their Discord server to use Mid Journey. And DAL-E is very limited in customization. And its realistic images is decent. It's limited, but simple UI. We also have Stable Diffusion, very good customization. The best in realistic images, fully customizable in terms of style, but it's very technical, so it's really harder to use compared to a beginner. Now, tips for best results using this: you need to use detailed prompts. You don't need to just a little bit small, but you can like make a really good prompt, more detailed, specific style, lighting condition, character, pose, activity, what they're doing, how much lens flare you want, what camera settings you want. So it's pretty cool. You can experiment with stuff. You can experiment with different styles, try different presets, and also adjust steps and quality. So yeah, guys, that's it. Now you know how to use OpenArt AI to generate AI images. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. And I'll see you guys